All right, this is Bubba Shack Food Review. Me and Bubba's over here at Wings to Go over on Route 1, one of my favorite restaurants. I got me some chicken wings, but Bubba, he got him some catfish. Oh man, would you look at that at Wings to Go. Catfish dinner, coleslaw, fries, hush puppy. Go on, Bubba, get yourself into that one time. Tell the world what you think of that now.
Oh yeah, this all looks good. I'm always get fed good when I'm with there.
Go and get into it.
Yeah.
Get a piece of the catfish out. Get into it. Tell the world how good that is. You like catfish?
Good old catfish.
She hot too, eh?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it is.
How about that
I love them
coleslaw?
old catfish.
How about that coleslaw right there? I love coleslaw. Tell me how good that is.
Yeah, let me try some of that too.
Oh my God, it looks good too, though. Oh man, that coleslaw and catfish. Would you recommend people to eat it?
Yeah, I'd recommend it. Anybody in the world come in, eat the Wings to Go with a catfish or eat the wing
Oh yeah, look at that.
wing thing.
I'm gonna tell you what, that's some good eating, ain't it, boy?
Yeah, it is.
You like doing these food reviews?
Yeah, I do. I really like them a lot.
And we got you a Facebook page now, boy. Trying to get people to look at these videos.
Yeah, I'm moving on up the ladder now.
You want people to see your videos?
Yeah, I do.
Tell them to look at them, Bubba. Tell them what it is. Tell them what the videos are.
Oh man, them things are on like popcorn now.
What's that? What they need to look up?
Bubba Shack Food Review
On
YouTube.
There you go, boy. We're gonna do hundreds of them, ain't we?
My goal, I'm gonna get 150 of them on there. I'm gonna do 150.
You're gonna eat at every good restaurant in this town, ain't you?
Yeah. And when I get done, I'm gonna be limousine riding, jet plane flying, stalling and profiling like a nature boy Ric Flair.
Woo!
Yeah.
How about them hush puppies, Bubba? Dive into a hush puppy.
Hush puppy, yeah. Yeah, them things are nice too.
Oh man. Would you really get that meal again?
Them things are sweet and delicious.
Would you get that meal again?
Get one with a beer.
No. I said, would you get that meal again?
Oh yeah.
Man, you a mess, Bubba.
Yeah, I'd like to have me a beer with it. But I ain't got none in here.
Oh, cold beer would be good with that meal with it.
Yeah, I gotta wait till I walk back outside to drink a beer.
Where would you drink it at over there? Behind the car?
Just drink it out there in the car.
Oh. Well, Bubba, you want to tell everybody where you at?
Yeah, we are Wingstop.
No, it's not Wingstop.
Yeah. Wings to Go.
Wings to Go. Tell everybody what you're eating.
My buddy's got the Wingstop.
Well, tell everybody what you're eating.
Well, I got some catfish, got some french fries, got some coleslaw, and some hush puppies. Hush puppies.
Oh, and tell everybody you'd recommend them come here.
Yeah, come on in and get you a little bite.
Where's this place located, Bubba?
Oh man, I wouldn't even know that.
It's out here on Route 1. All right, well, you want to tell the world goodbye, Bubba?
Yeah, I recommend everybody come by here and get them a good bite. And come on over here to the. It's so good.
You forgot where you at.
I can't talk good.
You forgot where you at. All right, well, tell the world goodbye.
Boy, Popeye.
No, tell the world goodbye.
I would like to have a little bit of spinach to go with it, but I couldn't get all that. So long, y'all have a good day.
And tell them what Popeye would say.
Popeye said,
Yeah, go, 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 go.